We're gonna put Tank on Leonard and he's asleep. Tank.
Just gonna let me there.
Get out!
He can't.
Damn it!
Go back on! Tank, get on him!
Please stop, man. I got a headache. It's like
Ah!
bad. Stop. Get the damn dog off me.
We're videoing you.
Stop it, I need light, guys, I need light. He can't see the cheese. He cannot see the cheese. There we go. There we go. Video it. Video it.
Leonard's mad. The joke went bad.